Welcome to our Locking Fundamentals series, and we are on episode number 5. And that's perfect because today we are learning about the 5, as in give me 5. In case you didn't know, I'm Ceech. I teach and I make dance tutorial videos. If my videos are helpful and you would like to support the channel, just send me $1 million or click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Ooh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notification when I post. Now, my tutorials are dance along videos, which means you can practice along with me while you watch. Each video has multiple drills, and each drill is about a minute. It's not too long, but enough to build muscle control and strengthen your rhythm. My challenge to you is to try to keep up with me throughout the entire drills. Now, if you can't do it at first, try again tomorrow, because this takes time and patience. Now, for my explanations and the tips on each drill, make sure to watch the video all the way through towards the end of the video so you don't miss out on the specific technique that I have so that you can avoid some of the common pitfalls or mistakes. All right, now if you're ready, put your dancing shoes on. I'll see you in the drill. Enjoy, have fun, and don't forget to make it funky. Welcome back to the review section. Today we're talking about the 5, all right? What's the 5? Well, when you see a friend, when you see somebody real cool, you say, hey, what's up, man? Give me 5. That's what it is. This is the 5. Give me 5, all right? So, if I can find the video, I'll post a link on the description having Don Campbellock mention about how when he goes to party and stuff like that, you know, he see cool people giving each other 5. So he said, hey, man, I'm cool. I'll give myself 5. So it became a move, okay? So let's go over what the 5 is. In our drill, the first drill, or the first half of the drill, stick out your hand, okay? So first thing we're gonna do with my right hand, we're all doing right hand this time. Now, if you wanna go to the left side, obviously do that as well, okay? Right hand, stick it out. You got the 1, hold 2, slap on the 3. Now, when you give a 5, it goes through, okay? When you ask somebody for a 5, you go like this. They don't just leave their hand there, they go all the way through, okay? So that's what the 5 is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is when we're doing it slow, all right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Same hand, we're all sticking with the right hand. Cross the body here, boom. High 5 up here, all right? So imagine you give each other a high 5 right there, it goes through. So here, boom, go through. Now, one of the things that Skeeter Rabbit taught me is when you do this, right when this happens right here, this hand goes this way, this hand goes the opposite way. So you'll see us do this. Boom. Okay, so this doesn't just stay. Okay, so don't let this stay. Here, flick it back. Here, boom, here, here. Okay, so in our routine, we got the 5 on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here, right? Up here, boom. And then we got another one behind the back, right? Since we don't want to go this way right here, I can't get it. So we go under this way. Here, and give you the 5 right here, okay? So our count goes like this. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's when we did it fast, okay? So give me each of 5, basically, on the beat, give me 5, right over here, up high, behind the back, Does it make sense? Okay, so that's giving 5. Now, just practicing that should be pretty easy, all right? So I want you guys to just start with that. This drill number 1 should be pretty simple. Now, what I suggest you do is after you do it, Let's go to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But in our drills, we keep it simple. We stay with the right side. On your own, as I'm talking right now, switch to the left side so both sides even, all right? Cool. Finish this one real quick. I don't think it takes too much time for this one, but obviously be on beat. I'm gonna say that over and over again throughout all of the drills, all the videos that I have. Be on beat. If you're not on beat, you're not dancing, thus you're not locking, all right? So be on beat, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, drill number 2, we gotta bring back twirl. We're twirling to the 5. Now, if you don't know, if you need more practice on the twirl, look at the previous video. I'll put a little link up here and check out the twirl. Make sure your twirl is strong before you get this one, all right? So in our drill, we have 1 and 2, 3, okay? So on the 2, your hand is out. Twirl on the 1. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. That's the slow version, all right? So now the quick version, you gotta be a little bit faster. So instead of 1 and right here, you're going 1 and. Right on the end, this has gotta be ready. And then here's a 2. Okay, that's the move. The move is on the 5. It's called the 5, but it's on the 2. All right, too many numbers. So we got 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so this is a great drill to train because the speed. Sometimes a lot of people aren't used to speed. So we start slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we cover that. Now, one of the things I want you to do is also get the hip movement, and this came from when we locked. All right. So if you don't have this hip movement down, I would say go back to the first video or episode number 1 of Locking Fundamental, which is the lock. And this is where we train that hip to snap to the side. So here, boom, right here. So we got 1 and 2, right on the 2, bang, 3 and 4. Okay, that little boom, lock right there. You freeze right there, okay? Start slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then fast, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Keep drilling, guys, and if you're ready, see you in drill number 3. Welcome to drill number 3 review. Okay, so what we're doing right now, we're really incorporating our twirl to the 5, but we're gonna add our 2-step, all right? So basically, you're stepping to the right and together, and the left together, okay? So this is our count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By itself, really simple. Now we gotta add in, so our arms, we're twirling. 1, 2. Remember, in our twirl drill, we did 1, 2, 3, 4. Or we did the front, across, and we did the outside, right? So we're taking that section right here. We're going 1, 2, come back, 3, and 4. And that was from drill number 2, okay? So we're combining it, a little bit of combination right there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? So going slow, we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, okay? Both sides, we go slow and then we go fast, or tempo. Half time and then tempo. So keep track, know how to do both tempos, and make sure you match your legs along with your arms, all right? Okay guys, this is, the 5 itself is not a difficult move, because all it is just giving yourself 5. But this is where you can be creative, all right? So the first drill we had, you know, high 5 right here. I don't see a lot of people doing high 5. There's some people that jump, right? And give yourself 5 here, right? Give you the idea of putting behind your back. You know, there's a lot of people who down here low, you know, behind or under the leg, give themselves 5 here. So this is, when you understand the concept of 5, it's so powerful, because this is where you could start being creative. Here, give me 5. Ooh, no, here, You know what I mean? So have fun with the 5. Don't just memorize choreography. So many times right now, people go on YouTube and watch somebody's choreography and only learn the choreography as a whole, but not understand how and why these choreographers came up with these concepts. Once you get your concept, you can make up your own choreography, okay? All right, guys, hope you guys have fun. Next video is coming out real soon, so be on the lookout. I'm out.